Hi, I'm Mark Spahalski here at VoIP Supply, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing, but not like an unboxing you've seen on this channel before, because this is actually an old phone. We're going to be looking at VoIP Supply's Refresh, where we take used phones and condition them to like new. So let's take a look inside and see what the phone actually looks like. This particular Refresh phone is one of the most popular. It's the Polycom VVX 410, and if you haven't used a Polycom phone before, you should really consider it. Audio quality is among the best in the industry. Let's take a look on the inside. First off, as soon as you open the box, you're greeted with the certificate of freshness and a little thank you note. Describes a little bit about the 10-step process that our in-house experts go through to recondition the phone to like new. You have the phone itself, Ethernet cable, back stand, handset Corley cord, and the handset. Let's unwrap the phone and take a look at it. So when we take a look at the phone, you'll notice that there are maybe some very light scratches, some very light wear and tear, but overall the phone is pretty close to brand new. You'll notice that we do have a refresh sticker on our phone to designate that it is refresh, but if that sticker wasn't there, you probably would never even notice that this is a used phone. It's also worth mentioning that if you're a service provider or a reseller, that the refresh boxes are available without the VoIP Supply logo. So if you want to put your own logo, your own sticker on there, that's entirely possible. VoIP Supply's refresh program is a great opportunity to buy like new phones for a fraction of the original cost that are all backed by a 6-month warranty. If you want to know more about the 10-step process we go through VoIP Supply with the refresh phones, check out this video here. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe down here. Once again, I'm Mark Spahalski of VoIP Supply. Thanks for watching. May the VoIP be with you.